In this video, you will learn how to add, edit, or delete a map on your website page. So starting from the main dashboard, if we click on whichever website we are customizing and navigate to the home page template, you will see if we scroll down to the bottom, you will see a locations tab with a map. By hovering over this map, we have the option to either edit or delete the element. So if you would like to get rid of any map on your page templates, just go ahead and click delete. But we're also going to show you how to edit this location map, and we're going to do that by highlighting over the edit icon and clicking edit. A menu bar on the right hand side of the screen will pop up, and as you can see, I've changed this now from the previous address to a specific Apple location in Burlingame. All right, so 1301 Burlingame Ave, Burlingame, California. You can put in your zip code, you can put in your phone number here and your email address, and go ahead and click save. Now, as you can see, the map has updated automatically. All you had to do was add the address. We are in a different location at a shopping center, 1301 Burlingame Ave in California, and that is added to your locations tab automatically. Now, I do want to show you how you can add this section to any of your pages if you would like to have a map on a different page besides the home page we're showing in this example. So scrolling up to the top, let's go ahead and click on our testimonial page. And you will see here that there is no map. But what we can do is we can come up to the top menu bar here on other links and click display. And what you will see is under our page display options on the right hand side, you will see that there is a maps and locations section that's hidden on this page. Regardless of what page you're on, you can navigate to the other links, click on display, and make sure that the maps and location setting is not hidden. By unselecting the hidden icon and clicking save, you will see that now that map has been updated. So hopefully that was helpful. You can now add, delete, or edit maps on any of your pages within the software.